Yebo, ingane wethi impela beshu bakhulu phana kwiMadlanga Commission of Inquiry ngenkathi uMadlanga-ke bepheka ngemibuzo-ke iphoyisa elilwisana-ke nobugebengu engaso-ke isigameko senzeka phana-ke ePort Shepstone esithinta-ke izidakamizwa engawo-ke unyaka ka-2021. Kanti-ke wengane wethi impela-ke abantu phana-ke ezinkundleni zokuxhumana babesisebencoma impela kutolika-ke walo-ke leli cala bethi wawu impela-ke yabona-ke lo tolika usikhombisa-ke inkosi-ke yotolika-ke owayemele-ke ungezwe umlando umfana Mchunu eceleni lakhe labona-ke wayethi azikhala kwi-unrest-ke ngo-2021. Hhayi-ke wengane wethi impela-ke naye-ke uMadlanga ubonakala-ke impela-ke ehluleka ukuzibamba phela-ke ehleka-ke yena-ke lo tolika indlela-ke inkulumo ayibheka ngaye bafowethu-ke ngaphandle basikhuluma khulu yona-ke Mbosisweni TV ake nisivumele sinitshilo yona-ke le video-ke bekwenzeka phakathi kuyona-ke iMadlanga Commission nani-ke nisibonelele laye utolika-ke nizwele
the beginning of your affidavit to say that as at 22 June 2021, your area of operation was violent crime, national priority violent crime. Is that so?
Manje ukuthi kuyakuzwakela njengoba uchaza ukuthi hayi isipiliyoni busunazo sokuthi cishe mhlambe neminyaka eyishumi kuya kanjalo kulokhu kwenza izinto ezidakamizwa lezi ama drugs kodwa nasibuyele emuva ngathi kuyabonakala ukuthi ngomhla ngalesikhathi leso ngako 22 ka June 2021 kahle kahle wena uthi hayi ulwazi lakho belubanzi la ubhekeni kahle lokhu ubugebengu imacala ahambelana nobugebengu ebhaliwe lapha usikuzwe kahle
yebo
that is correct.
As you say that is your area of operation being a violent crime, priority violent crime. You give examples of that, and at the end you say, end of the sentence, paragraph, the last sentence, paragraph 2, you say among others. That is after itemizing examples of violent crimes. You say among others. In that context, I understand among others also to relate to violent crimes. Am I correct?
Ngabe usukuzwa kahle yini nje obuchaza ubekile lapha ukuthi amacala ahambisana nodlame violence crime le bekuzizwe izinto kakhulu ngathi bobhekene nazo kodwa na ubheka lapha ku paragraph 2 nasesiyezansi kukhona lapha okunye kwezinto okufakayo okunye ngamong other things njengoba sikhuluma ngayo le violence crime.
Yebo kunjalo.
That is correct.
Now that being the all right, let me ask this. On the morning of 22 June 2021, were there no members whose area of operation was narcotics or drugs?
Ngaso lesikhathi sika 22 June 2021 ukuthi alikho ilunga la sebenza lapha singathi bekuyo ngqo shishilizi obhekene ngqo nalokho kuphathisana kwama drugs lokhu idakwamiza ama narcotics.
Icon.
The way.
Can you give me a few names?
Ungasipha amagama mhlamba athizeni?
Ama group ayi-2.
There were 2 groups.
Khona iphethwe uCaptain Mpele.
One was headed by Captain
Mpele.
Captain Mpele.
Enye yayiphethwe Lieutenant Colonel ngaleso sikhathi.
The other one was under Lieutenant Colonel at that time.
Modley.
The name is Modley.
And were the 2 and all members under them on duty on the morning of 22 June 2021? Do you know?
Ngalo lilanga mhla ka 22 June 21 ngabe bona babe khona yini abanye babe basebenzisana mhlambe bayengaphansi kwabo?
Yeah, babe khona.
Yes, they were.
Do you know why Colonel Jacob would have called you being somebody whose area of operation was priority violent crime, instead of calling those people whose area of operation was narcotics?
Ngabe uyazi yini ukuthi uJacob elondini bese suka yobiza wena bekhona abantu banolwazi olunzulu ngalezi zinto zimdakwamile wena ungale kule la kusetshenziswa khona ngezodlame ngabe uyazi ukuthi kwenziwa yini lokho
Isizathu salokho engisikhumbulayo
the reason which I could recall
ukuthi Lieutenant Jacob wayengazwani nawo mabili ama groups
bayengazwani the reason Jacobs was not in good terms with both groups.
Does that mean he did not work with them?
Kusho ukuthi bengasebenzisani nabo?
wayengasebenzisani nawo
Yes, did not work with them.
So whenever he worked within his area of operation, he always got people who were not within his area of operation.
Manje kusho ukuthi nakube kufuneka yenze into enjengale operation usedingeka ukuthi alande abantu angasebenzisani nabo.
noma ngingasakhumbuli kahle noma
Even if I do no longer recall very well,
ngoba yena wayephethe yona igroup yakaSanap
group kaSanlam,
Sanap
because he was in control of the Sanlam group.
ukuthi obana babengaphansi kwakhe ngisakhumbula
The people who were under him, I do not remember.
Yeah, I'm happy you mentioned that. I'm happy you mentioned that. So he was not all by himself. He had people under him as well.
Uyakujabulela ukuthi uyakusho lokho Pauli uyabonakala ukuthi ngempela wayenabo abantu abasebenza ngaphansi kwakhe
uma ngikhumbula kahle
if I recall correctly.
And he called you and not them on the morning.
Kodwa na usebiza wena akabizi bona ngalo kuseni lolanga.
ngicabanga ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi wayengazwani nabo
I think the reason is that he was not in good terms with them.